Hello, welcome to VDH Academy, and here in this section we are going to discuss an example using sine and projection rules under the concept properties of triangles. So this is our given example, and by considering the LHS side we are going to prove the value on the RHS. And now this equation can be written by using sigma. So it is write it as sigma a cube into cos b minus c. And now we can write this a cube in terms of sigma a square into a into cos b minus c. And now here there is an angle A. So we already know that A is equal to 2r sine A. So by using this formula, let us replace the value of A. So that implies we get here sigma A square into the value of A, which is 2r sine A into cos b minus c. And now let us make changes to sine A. So we can write this as sigma A square into 2r sine A, which can be written as sine 180 degrees minus b plus c, into the remaining term, which is cos b minus c. And here we have replaced the value of sine A with 180 degrees minus b plus c using the concept of transformations. So that implies here the equation would become sigma A square into 2r sine 180 minus theta is nothing but sine theta. So we get here sine b plus c into cos b minus c. And then by combining 2 and this term, we can use the formula of 2 sine A cos b, which is equal to sine A plus b plus sine A minus b. So by using this formula over here, we get sigma A square into r into sine A, which is b plus c, plus b, which is b minus c, plus of sine A minus b, that is b plus c, minus of b minus c, which is minus b plus c. And now let us cancel the terms having opposite signs. So here c gets cancelled, and in this term b gets cancelled. So that implies we get here sigma A square into r sine 2b plus of sine 2c. And here by using the formula of sine 2a, we get sigma A square into r into 2 sine b into cos b plus 2 sine c into cos c. And then taking 2 as the common factor, we get sigma A square into, and now by multiplying r to the inner terms, we get sigma A square into 2r sine b into cos b plus of 2r sine c into cos c. And now let us substitute these values. So we get sigma A square into, and this value is equal to b, so we get b into cos b plus of, and this value is equal to c, so we get c cos c. We return this by using sine rule. And now let us expand sigma. We get a square b cos b plus c cos c plus of b square into c cos c plus a cos a plus of c square into a cos a plus b cos b. And here by multiplying the outer terms with the inner terms, we get ab into a cos b plus b cos a plus of bc into b cos c plus c cos b plus of ac into a cos c plus c cos a. And then here we can reuse projection rule. So by using projection rule, we get ab into c plus of bc into a plus of ac into b. And then by adding all the terms, we get 3 times of abc, which is nothing but the value on RHS side. So this is the formula of projection rule, and whereas a equal to 2r sine a is the formula of sine rule. And this is how we solve different examples using formulas of properties of triangles. Hope you understood the concept. For more videos, visit our website VDH Academy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.